How to log in into the DeepSeek R1. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to log in into the DeepSeek R1, first of all, head over to its official website. Then tap on it. After that, head over to this page and tap on Start Now. You can either use your phone number or email address along with password to log in, or another way would be logging in using your Google account. You just have to select the account that you want to log in with and then tap on Continue. This will now take 2 to 3 seconds to log in and you're good to go. DeepSeek is a specialized tool which is optimized for the specific domains such as research, data analysis, and cybersecurity. So you can ask anything with DeepSeek and get the help with the deep thinking. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like as well as subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.